Okay. Greetings. Today I shall be showing you indifference curves. Indifference curves are graphs, okay. For example, let's start with this, okay. Indifference curves. They're a set of all bundles of goods, and it shows a set of all bundles of goods and services for which we consumers deem equally desirable. So, let's say we have to choose a bundle. For this one, we chose bread and cheese. It can be anything except complements or substitutes, but we'll get more on that later. It can be anything, bread, cheese, whatever it is. You see? So then to make this type of thing, the standard indifference curve. So, let's say, for example, now at first I told you, first you must know that everything on this line maximizes utility. What I mean by maximizing utility is that it gives us maximum benefit. Utility is the benefit you receive from purchasing stuff. So then, or benefit you receive from anything basically. So what happens on this line is that utility is maximized on this line. So any point on this line, utility is maximized. So I could buy 15 loaves of bread. Here, let's say that's 15. That's 15 there. Could buy 15 loaves of bread, 3 slices of cheese. Or I could buy 3 slices of cheese and 15 loaves of bread. One thing to note that this graph here is downward sloping. Downward sloping is that although it does not look like a straight line, it's actually downward slopes like that. You see, it's not upward sloping. You read it from left to right, like English. It's not Arabic where right to left. Anyway, so moving on, we get this. Okay, it must be downward sloping. Why? Because of diminishing marginal returns. Let me show you what it means. Okay. So that's what I'm drawing here is how to figure out diminishing marginal returns, you see. Diminishing marginal returns basically means that at first my utility is high. Then as I consume more, utility gets lower and lower and lower. Think about it properly, okay? Slices of pizza, you have 8. You have 8 unless you like it 4. I like 8. You have 8 slices of pizza. As you consume the first, now you're really hungry, you consume the first slice of pizza, that gives you maximum utility. Then, as you continue to consume more pizza, you decrease, you decrease your hunger, so you're not actually receiving the same benefit you got from the first slice. Now you're used to it's going lower and lower and lower. That's what diminishing marginal returns is. As the more you consume of something, the less you get out of it. So the more you see, the less you get out of it. So then what this basically shows is, okay, so first off, I would give 1 loaf of bread for 3 slices of pizza. Then I'm consuming 1 loaf of bread for 3 slices of cheese. Now as I'm consuming more and more cheese, now I'm like, nah, I don't like, now it's fine, I'm not going to give so much cheese up. So I'm going to give 2 slices of cheese for one loaf of bread. Then now it starts maximizing 1, you can see. So now I don't actually mind whatever happens. You can give me cheese, you can give me you can give me bread, I don't mind. So as I explained, this is just to explain diminishing marginal returns, where the more you consume, the less you actually want. Yes.